Did you know that just a few minutes of gentle stretching can help your body feel looser, lighter, and more relaxed? If you've been feeling stiff, tight, or simply need a moment to unwind, you're in the right place. Today's yoga session is designed to improve flexibility while helping you relax both your body and mind. By the end of this practice, you may be surprised by how much easier your body feels. Take a deep breath in, slowly breathe out. Let's begin. Welcome to your flexibility journey. Sit comfortably and imagine yourself as a beautiful lotus flower floating peacefully on a calm lake. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let your body relax and your mind become still. As you move gently between cat and cow, imagine waves rolling softly onto the shore. With every breath, your spine becomes more flexible and free. Move slowly and enjoy the peaceful rhythm. Stretch your arms forward and rest comfortably. Feel your back lengthen as if you're melting into a soft cloud. Allow any tension to drift away with each gentle breath. Reach your hands forward and let your chest gently lower. Imagine you're stretching after a peaceful nap under a warm afternoon sun. Relax and enjoy the gentle opening through your shoulders. Slowly lift your chest toward the sky. Feel warmth and energy flowing through your spine. Like the morning sun rising over the horizon, your body awakens with calm strength. Bring the soles of your feet together and gently flutter your knees. Imagine colorful butterflies dancing through a peaceful garden. Breathe softly and let your hips relax. Reach forward comfortably without forcing this stretch. Imagine you're reaching toward a calm stream flowing through a quiet forest. Each breath helps your body soften a little more. Settle into the pose and allow your hips to release. Picture yourself resting in a peaceful meadow, surrounded by gentle breezes and birdsong. Let your body feel light and relaxed. Open your heart toward the sky and breathe deeply. Imagine standing beneath a beautiful sunset, feeling calm, confident, and completely at peace. Gently twist and let your body unwind. Imagine floating on a quiet river under the stars. With each breath, release any remaining tension and enjoy the feeling of complete relaxation. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode.